Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert a table into the Google Forms questions. So first, you can just open the Google Forms that you want to create and write the question. Or first, you can also insert a table. Unfortunately, in Google Form, there is no direct feature in where you can directly add a table in here. So I found this trick where I'm going to just add a picture of the table into the question. So first you just need to prepare a screenshot apps on your computer. You can use this snipping tool like I do, and after that just capture the table, and here on the Google form just click on this image icon and find the image of the table that you want to add. Click on browse, then find the picture of the table that you want to add it. So for example, I'm going to add this tables right here. Click on that screenshot of the table, click on open. Just wait, and after that, the table will be added to the questions. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.